Hey y'all, I am here at my new apartment, Airbnb, in Budapest. And it's up the street from my old place. It's about 4 blocks, not the two that we thought. We had the numbers kind of mixed up, but it's maybe about 4 blocks up the street, still in a great neighborhood and very lively neighborhood, but neighborhood of the people. So I am here and I'm going to show you my apartment. It is so cute. It is so me. And here is when you look out the window, this is what you see. You see the courtyard. Let me come over here. And look at the colors. This is what I see out my living room window. And it's so cute. It's and you go down like the other building into another building. And it has stairs, so it doesn't have a lift. And my host, which was great, he carried my bag. And let me just say something about that. I didn't pack a lot. I did. Brenda, I did not pack a lot. I did not. But I packed too much. I didn't pack a lot, but I don't want any bags when I travel. I don't want any bags. So the next time I'm on travel, I'm telling you, I am going to take that little Longchamp bag, about 6 or 7 items, and when I get here, I'll buy what I need. Seriously, I am not playing. I don't want any bags because when you're here, you start to accumulate bags. It was so funny. He said, "You have an IKEA bag already?" I'm like, "Yeah, I got an IKEA bag already," but it's not going home. So, but I'm just saying, seriously, when I travel from now on, I'm going to the destination. If there's any special attire I bring, but other regular clothes, I'll get them while I'm there. Toilet, all that stuff, I'll get it when I'm there. So anyway, back to the apartment. So that is the view. Now you come out and you're in my living room. Oh, well, let me take you to the front first. So you come to the front and here's the door. I have a gate and we typically just I lock the gate when I leave. So look at that. Isn't that cute? Look at those colors. So, and I'll show you more of the building once I go back out. You come in and there's a foyer here. I got my little foyer here. And what do you see? Look at my cute little refrigerator. Isn't this cute? And the host left me some water. But look at this refrigerator. It's so cute. And the freezer. Yeah, I have a freezer. And my little hallway for you. And when you step to the right, you enter the living room. So we have the living room here. And we have over here, let me come from this side, you have my dining table. And let me put this right here. You have my dining table. So come back. So you all can see the dining table. And then back here, you have the sofa and the TV. Now, I don't watch much TV at home. I do have it on for sound, but when I'm away, I do like a TV because I want to catch up on the local news and hear see what's going on locally and hear some of the language because, as you know, I love languages. So it's just kind of something new and you can learn what's happening in the area. So this is the spot. And over here, we have a little faux fireplace. And check out this bearskin rug. Yeah, hey, now. All right. And if anybody, you know me, you know I love my full-length mirrors. So I have a full-length mirror so I can sit up here and dance all I want to. And you come over here, you got a couple of bar stools, sit at the bar. And my host left me some Hungarian wine. And this wine, he said, Hungarians drink white wine, so this is a good wine. I can't wait to pop this bottle open, honey. I'm going to pop this open. I need to eat, but wine is food, so I'm going to do that. And over here is the kitchen. You know, the first thing we do is plug in our outlets for our phone and things. So here's my sink, and when I feel domesticated, if I feel domesticated, I can cook. I can fry it up in a pan, honey. And here's a little shelf in here. And I have a microwave. Here's a microwave right there. And so everything is here contained. And it's small, but it has that open, airy, spacious feel, which I like. And this is perfect for me. Oh, and check out the board. The top 10 pubs, Budapest. And I've been to Zimpla, #1. So I'm going to try a couple of others on here. But this was great to have for your guests, so they'll know. And our host, my host, I'm still missing Chris, saying I still miss him. And he gave us a list of He gave me a list of things to do, restaurants and places to go. So this is awesome. Great information. And these are the best from him that he highly recommends. So we come out here and we enter the hallway again and we go to check out the radiator. Old school radiator. I love buildings with character. This is just, this is delightful. You just don't know how happy I am to be here, just living in the traditional, in the neighborhood with the people. So this is nice. And I met a lady in a shop and we were talking and she gave me a place to, she said they have great goulash and it's over here in this neighborhood. And she said, you go away from the center, you go away from the tourist traps and go here and it's delicious. And what's so cool, I was just looking at her shop. I didn't buy anything, but she was so nice and sweet and say, yeah, take your time, come back, and gave me the recommendations. And I got a couple of other recommendations. So I am going to be trying all the goulash. So I'm going to try a couple of places, and I'll let you all know how that tastes. So coming right in here, you enter, it's the bathroom. Isn't this cute? Look at this. This is the bathroom. Check out this tub. Look how deep it is. And I need this, honey, climbing all those stairs at the Basilica and all the walking we've done. So here's the bathtub, and it's pretty deep. And in the bathroom, this is all I need. And you have a washer. And let me tell you, it may not have a dryer, and that's okay because, honey, they got this spin cycle, this cycle so fast, they use drying racks in apartments. My last apartment used it. So when I finished washing my jeans, by the time I got home, they were dry. So it really does work. And I'll show you the drying hanger rack. So then we come from the bathroom, we're in the hallway, we got the living room, and here is the bedroom. In my bedroom. Isn't this cute? Look how cute this is. This is so me. Look at how cute this is. I'm really a minimalist. I am a minimalist. People who know me know I'm a minimalist. I don't need much. I just need it to be quality, comfort, convenient for me. Those are my standards and I will not waver. But I'm happy. So it don't have to be, 100,000 square footage of anything. And I'm good. So this is cute. Here's my hanging rack, and I have a closet here with space and you got storage here. And again, here's my bedroom. And when you look out, you see the same thing from the living room. And of course, I have shutters. So for privacy, and if I don't want the light, I'll use the shutters. But I really like I like the openness of things, but I'll close these at night, so. But here's the bedroom. So it's really cute. And is there and behind here, here's the hanging rack that is used for the clothes. Y'all know clotheslines. But that's a hanger rack. Can you see it? There it is. There it is. Okay. So, stepping back out, but I am going to, so this is my place, and even though it's small, look at that. It's still open and airy, which I really like. And here's a phone. If anybody buzzes you, it's a phone on the wall. So, but no one should be ringing my bell. And so I am going to take this day and just catch up on some successful etiquette business, enjoy it, go out for a walk, go get some food, drink some wine. So it's really a day just to chill, roam. We were on a whirlwind of funness, travel, and I just need this day to unwind and catch up and repack that bag. Oh, there we have it. I love that list. So, and the chalkboard. So you all take care. I am going to go unwind, get some food, go maybe try some goulash or something. But I'm going to go out and enjoy the sights and settle down. So talk with you all later. Peace. I'm going to show you, just show you around. Okay. You hear my stomach? It's time to eat. Okay, bye.